Hi, in the present lesson we are going to learn about possessive nouns. But what are possessive nouns? A possessive noun is a noun that possesses something, that means it has something. When a noun denotes possession, ownership or belongingness, then it is called possessive nouns. In most cases, it is formed by adding an apostrophe plus s to the noun. If the noun is plural and already ending in s, then we will add only an apostrophe. We will not add s. Apostrophe s are used or showing the possessionship, we are using it for living beings. And for non-living things, we are using preposition of. Now let's see some examples. This is Simran's pen. Here two nouns are there. First is Simran and second is pen. This pen belongs to Simran. As I already told you, possession always comes with living beings. So Simran is a living thing. So I will show possession with it. The word Simran's pen. It shows the possession or ownership of pen which belongs to her. Second sentence, Varun's watch is costly. Here two nouns are there, Varun and watch. Watch is non-living thing and Varun is living thing. So we will show possession with living thing. Varun's watch. Third, the car's wheel is punctured. Now this sentence is wrong, because car and wheel both are non-living things, and for showing possession of non-living things, as I told you, we will use the preposition of. Let's see how. The wheel of the car is punctured. One more example. The paper's color is red. Now paper as well as color both are non-living things. So for showing possession, we will use the word of like this. The color of the paper is red. Now I will tell you the usage of possessive nouns. The possessive sign is generally used with the nouns of living things. If the noun is singular, we simply add apostrophe s. Like girl's book. Here girl is singular. So we will add apostrophe plus s to show the possession of book, girl's book. But if the noun is plural, then we will add s. If the noun is plural and ending with s, then we will not add apostrophe s, we simply put apostrophe there. For example, boys. It is plural, so we will not add again apostrophe and s. We will simply add apostrophe to show possession, that this college belongs to boys. Boys college. If any noun not ending with any plural noun not ending with s, then what we will do? Let's see. Here see the example, women. This is plural word and it is not ending with s. So here we can show possession, women's club, by putting apostrophe s. Women's club. Now next usage is, the possessive sign is used with the nouns to show relationship between brother, sister or any other relationship. For example, brother's friends, Rohan's cousin. Next usage is, possessive case is used before the word worth. Worth means an amount of something that has a specified value. For example, a rupee's worth of peanuts, a 50 rupees worth of spices. So here I have used the word worth. So before worth we will show apostrophe s to show the possession. Possessive case is used with nouns denoting duration of time taken to complete something. Can be used with space and wait. For example, time, a week's delay. Here we can show possession with apostrophe s. For showing space, a meter's length. For telling about the weight, we can use possessive case, a kilo's weight. We can also show possessive case when inanimate objects are personified. Inanimate means non-living things and personified means represent it as a person or as having human qualities. For example, the moon's gentle light. Here the word moon is non-living thing, but the gentle, the word, this is the quality of human being, and we are personifying it as moons. So here it is possessive. Here we can use possessive case, moon's gentle light. Then second example is the earth's temperature. So here also temperature, earth, there is no temperature, but we are personifying it. So here we can use possessive case, as you can see in the example, the earth's temperature, because we are giving human qualities to the earth. If two or more nouns jointly possess something, then possessive noun, that is apostrophe s, is put on the later one. For example, Ronit's and Somit's school is very far. This sentence is absolutely wrong, because Ronit and Somit are going to the same school. They are having same school, and we cannot show separate possession for that. Instead of this, we can say Ronit and Somit's school is very far, and for showing possession of school, we will show possession in the later noun, that means second noun. Here I have used this possession in Somit's case. Ronit and Somit's school is very far. Now let's see the possessive case in case of compound nouns. You know what is compound noun? A noun made up of two or more words that join together to make a single noun. For example, keyboard, table tennis, blackboard, etc. So possessive sign is used with the last word of a compound noun. For example, my brother-in-law. This is a compound noun. My brother-in-law house is very beautiful. The first sentence here I have used apostrophe with brothers, which is wrong. We always show possessive sign with the last word in a compound noun. The correct example is my brother-in-law's house is very beautiful. Now next rule is apostrophe is not used with two consecutive nouns or two possessive, double possessive cases are given. Then what we will do? For example, Poonam's sister's watch has lost. Here three nouns are mentioned: Poonam, sister and watch. Now this example is absolutely wrong. In this case, the correct sentence structure is, first we will show the possession, the thing which belongs. Here in this case it is watch. Second, then we will add of, preposition, then first noun, and in first noun we will show the possession plus second noun. This is the sentence structure. The correct sentence is, the watch of Poonam's sister has lost. And next rule is, when two nouns are in apposition, possessive sign is put to the later only. Apposition means two nouns or noun phrases are used to refer to the same person or thing. For example, Tagore's the famous book is Gitanjali. Here I am talking about the book, famous book, that is Gitanjali. So first sentence is absolutely wrong. We can write like this. We will not show it Tagore's, the possession of Gitanjali. We can write Tagore, the poet, because the poet as well as Tagore are same. So we will write Tagore, comma, the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. We are showing possessive case in the second word, that is later. later, letter. Next rule is, if else word is used after somebody, nobody, anybody, etc., then apostrophe is used with else. For example, this book is not mine, it is somebody's else. This is wrong. What I told you, we will put apostrophe with the word else. Correct sentence is, this book is not mine, it is somebody else's. We will show the possession in else's, E-L-S-E apostrophe S. Next rule is, if two or more nouns show separate possession, then possessive sign is put to each noun. For example, Ronit's and Somit's houses are under construction. Now, here we are talking about two separate houses because houses are mentioned. One house belongs to Ronit and other belongs to Sonit. So that's why to show separate possession, we will use possessive case in both the nouns. So children, I encourage you to learn these rules and usage. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in another lesson. Thank you.